NABD conference, second edition in Palo Alto, really fun event for us. The idea is really to get a bunch of open source, small startups, large companies together, share ideas, best practices, and tools.
It's pretty informal, so just come as you are.
So we're distributed across 30 countries, 2,700 employees. We gather data on e-commerce sites about users, and then we try to predict using machine learning what products people are likely to buy.
The beautiful thing that the movie also shows you is how they adapted from being the computer to being the masters of the computer.
Instead of MapReduce and a file system, you have SQL as the definition of everything you can do.
So, if you will excuse the somewhat grand analogy, we like to say we're in a similar age with deep learning. Real signs of interesting success with deep learning showed promise.
Protobufs is a very nice balance between generality and having an evolving schema and being reasonable, efficient underneath.
What I want to do is talk a bit about how people have built these deep learning systems that understand, and then I want to talk about an alternative framework.
There was an O'Reilly blog post that said, simple and quick definition of data engineering. It was 1,000 words.